I have a great explanation for why the big rift and the big divide and what seems like the extreme between the left and the right. First of all, the left and the right really aren't so different. The right, they have their idea that they want to have no abortions, they want to have religion, they want to have a very solid, rational structure. The left emotionally is reacting. They want to have free access to abortion. They want transgenderism. They want all these different kind of fluid things to happen. But you know what? They're actually very similar when you compare the far right and the far left. And our founders knew that this kind of thing could happen as government grows. So, how do I know that? In the Constitution of the United States, we hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. What they were really saying there, in my opinion, is that the extreme right and the extreme left, although they seem to have counter arguments, are both right. How can that be? According to the Constitution, all ideas are equal. If you're far right, that's okay. Far left, that's okay. In America, the idea is small government so that you can express yourself and be who you are. Now, how do I say that the left and the right are actually the same? The far left wants to impose rules to enforce their ideas or values on everybody else. The far right wants to enforce their ideas and values in law to affect everyone else. It takes the government or law to do that. And which happens is you create more splintering and more fractionalization because both sides are vying to have government enact their wishes. The real spirit of the Constitution of the United States is that all men are created equal, which means with a small enough government, enough not having interference in our lives, the extreme right and the extreme left can coexist. And quite frankly, the gap between the two will get less as government shrinks. And there's not this cry to have government step in and split everybody up and make things my way. America's supposed to be everybody's way. Now, we are a constitutional republic. That means that we do have laws, and those laws have to be followed. But when government is small enough, the left and the right can relax and not try to force government to enforce their will, but let everybody coexist. So, kind of a wild statement. The left and the right are the same. But when you look at how they're pushing their values, they're the same. Stay strong, wealth builders.